Hi everyone. This is the ultimate fat boy, transformed by Southeast Custom Cycles into a hot rod bobber with the heart of a beast. At its core, a Level 3 big bore 128-inch Milwaukee-Eight engine, delivering 151 pound-feet of torque and 127 horsepower, raw, unapologetic power. The power plant is a SECC Level 3 big bore package, designed by Jim's V-twin with a Metzeler camshaft and precision-matched components. Breathing comes through a Screamin Eagle Air cleaner assembly, while the soundtrack is pure muscle, courtesy of the Vance Hines staggered shots exhaust system. The stance is unmistakable, thanks to Thunderbike conversion bodywork and a Thunderbike single-sided swing arm. Riding comfort and style are backed by a full chassis air ride, with Legends rear suspension featuring adjustable damping for the perfect setup. Every inch of the frame is coated in a deep blackout powder finish, and for show-stopping presence, an AF Customs electric center stand lowers the bike with precision. Rolling on Thunderbike custom wheels, with a massive 23-inch front and 21-inch rear, wrapped in Metzeler rubber for confident grip. Forward controls from Thunderbike put you in command, giving a stretched, aggressive riding position. At the back, Thunderbike LED lighting combines running lights, brake lights, and turn signals into a sleek, integrated setup. Up front, Drag Specialties mirror-mounted LED turn signals add modern function without breaking the bike's clean lines. The custom leather upholstered solo seat is crafted for both comfort and timeless style, sitting low for that true bobber feel. Your hands rest on Arlen-ness custom grips, with matching Arlen-ness mirrors for a refined touch. A Joker machine shift linkage ensures precise gear changes, while the Roland Sands design derby cover completes the look with custom flair. The ultimate fat boy, it's a statement of power, style, and engineering perfection. Built to turn heads, built to dominate the streets. And built for those who refuse to ride anything ordinary. Thanks for watching.